Welcome back, curious minds, to another mind-expanding journey through the cosmos. Have you ever dared to ponder what might occur if the very fabric of existence collided? Buckle up, for today's adventure propels us into the captivating realm of multiverse collisions. Prepare to be dazzled as we unravel the enigma of infinite universes intertwining, birthing a symphony of possibilities and perplexities that will leave you breathless. From the whispering echoes of alternate realities to the curious sensation of déjà vu, we're delving deep into the heart of a collision that transcends galaxies and the boundaries of imagination itself. Get ready as we venture where science fiction dances with science fact. This is the rendezvous of the multiverse collision. Chapter 1. The Multiverse Unveiled. To embark on this odyssey, we must first grasp the very essence of the multiverse. Imagine an infinite tapestry woven with distinct universes, each a masterpiece with its own laws of physics, timelines, and narratives. These universes stand parallel yet separate, like dancers in an elaborate cosmic ballet. But what happens when these dancers collide? Prepare to be astounded as we navigate the intricate maze of possibilities that arises from this majestic convergence. Chapter 2. The Cosmic Tango of Collision. Picture it, the universe's grand ballroom, where countless realities twirl and spin. When multiverses converge, it's like a cosmic tango, an intricate dance of ideas, energies, and possibilities. Brace yourself, for the outcome is nothing short of awe-inspiring. Time itself, that elusive river, could ripple and twist, bending to the will of these celestial partners. The very laws of physics that govern our existence might pen a new symphony, composing notes never heard before. This collision births the unimagined and untangles the knotted threads of reality. Chapter 3. The Unraveling Threads of Reality. As we peer through the tapestry, we see threads of reality unraveling in a brilliant display. Universes merge and part like celestial lovers in an eternal waltz. The outcome is diverse and unpredictable. Realities may meld into a dazzling tapestry, merging strengths and quirks to forge an uncharted existence. Alternatively, they might tear apart, like star-crossed lovers bidding farewell. This collision is the ultimate arbiter, remolding the cosmos in ways that both challenge and enthrall our perceptions. Chapter 4. Echoes of Eternity. Ah, the echoes of the collision, those ethereal whispers that defy explanation. Theorists propose that as multiverses embrace, we might catch faint echoes of alternate realities. These echoes ripple through our universe, lending credence to déjà vu, an uncanny sensation that we've tread these paths before. Imagine gazing into a mirror reflecting another's life, sensing a tantalizing familiarity. This collision transcends time and space, granting us a glimpse of the infinite possibilities woven into the cosmic fabric. Chapter 5. When Reality and Fantasy Converge. As we ponder the multiverse collision, we're tantalized by the prospect of explaining the unexplained. Could the baffling phenomena that have puzzled us for eons find their origins here? Could déjà vu be more than a trick of the mind? Perhaps it's a tantalizing glimpse into the parallel lives we lead across infinite realms. This collision ignites our imagination, offering a plausible key to unlocking the secrets of existence itself. And there you have it, intrepid explorers of the unknown, a voyage through the collisions of the multiverse that leave us in awe and wonder. From the cosmic dance of alternate realities to the mysterious echoes that whisper across the tapestry of existence, we've embarked on a journey that challenges the boundaries of our understanding. The next time you experience déjà vu, remember that you might just be brushing against the edges of another reality, a reality that gracefully collided with our own. Until our paths cross again, keep gazing at the stars and dreaming of the infinite possibilities that await us in the vast expanse of the multiverse. This is your cosmic guide, signing off. Stay curious and keep exploring.